Hey, welcome to Teleku Video. This is episode number 6, and I'm going to show you something wicked cool today. We're going to grab a TwiML application off of the Twilio site. We're going to copy and paste it into a scratch pad on Teleku. We're going to go to Voxeo and open up or define a TwiML application on Voxeo. And what this whole test will let you do is basically run a Twilio application on the Voxeo platform using Teleku as a translation service. So I'm going to show you how this all works here right now. So if we go in to the extensions here on Teleku, we're going to create a new extension. We're going to call this one a gather. Here, let's do that one. TwiML gather test. We're going to say this Twilio app will run on Voxeo. We're going to hit the scratch pad here. So this lets you copy and paste applications in here. And you can see here, this is the URL that you use just to hit them directly as an extension. That'll come in important in a minute. So if we go to Twilio's docs and the TwiML reference, scroll down, let's go and grab one of their gather references. And there should be, here's some code right here. So we'll copy that to our clipboard, go back to Teleku Scratchpad, copy and paste that in here. Rather than chaining out to a PHP app that we'd have to create, Teleku has a really cool feature called echo. You can just call teleku.com/echo and it will repeat all of the session variables and caller input, everything you want here. So this script is pretty basic. I mean, it's just going to ask them to enter their account number followed by the pound key. It'll do a gather, it'll submit the caller input back to the caller, and if they don't type anything, it will say they didn't receive any input and goodbye and hang up. So that's pretty basic. So let's go ahead and hit create. So you can see we've created extension 32 with the TwiML applet inside of it. We could just call Skype right here, but that'll kind of take the fun out of this whole Voxeo demo. We could launch Skype or SIP right here and listen to that natively out of Teleku, but here's where it's going to get fun. We're going to go into my developer account at Voxeo, and we're going to add a new application. We're going to create a TwiML gather test. How about that? We're going to say it's a voice app. We'll attach it to Prophecy 9.0, Voice XML 2.0. We'll create extension. Well, here's the URL. Remember I showed you that URL that lets you go directly to an extension? Is teleku.com/tel/extension/ whatever your extension number is, and we had 32 that we were using here. So we create that. We say, yeah, let's give us a San Francisco phone number. You got all these to choose from. You can put it in Seattle, wherever you want. Create the application. Application created successfully. Let's look at other contact methods. This is a cool thing about Voxeo. They automatically give you a Skype address as well as a SIP address to hit it, as well as a direct dial number wherever you requested. We requested San Fran, there's a 408. So let's just grab this Skype number here. Let's open Skype. We're going to drop it up in here into the call spot. Now when I hit enter, this is going to call Voxeo. Voxeo is going to call the Teleku extension directly and execute the TwiML application that we copied off of Twilio's site. So let's see all the magic. See if it works.
Please enter your account number followed by the pound sign. We didn't receive any input. Goodbye.
Okay, so that was the first test. Remember, if we didn't type anything, it falls all the way through the gather. So that is awesome. I'm going to call it again, and we could do touch tone, but we're going to do something that even Twilio doesn't do. We're going to do speech recognition on the account number. So we could type in a number, hit pound, and make it process, but we're going to do one step cooler. So we're going to call it again, and we'll verbally give it an account code.
Please enter your account number, followed by the pound sign.
1, 2, 3.
Caller ID is Chris. Matthieu. Number dialed is 99914460025. Call GUID is 4700 CB49A4C64787 COC807 DBOF174. Channel type is caller. Input is 123. Caller input history is 123. Caller name is caller. Location is.
So did you hear that? We spoke 1, 2, 3, and it came back and returned the caller input as 123. Let's just do touchtone just for fun, just to show you that it'll support it natively. But that was pretty cool.
Caller ID is Chris. Matthieu. Number dial.
You heard me talking.
Please enter your account number, followed by the pound sign.
Caller ID is Chris. Matthieu. Number dialed is 99914460025. Call GUID is 6309. Call 6704 CEBO 68C Channel type is caller. Input is 321. Caller input history is 321. Caller name is caller. Location is.
Is that too sweet or what? If you don't have an invite code, follow us on Twitter, Teleku, and at Reply Us. We'll send you one so you can get in here and start hacking on your own TwiML applications and run them on Voxeo or i6net or wherever you want to run them. Pretty cool. See you next time.